Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from CleanGuru. So today's message, talk it up. We need to talk it up. You know, a few videos ago, I was talking about trying to find and keep the right people and to try to get buy-in from them so they feel a part of things. Well, how do you do that? Well, part of it, I think, is talking it up. You know, it's not enough to say, well, we wrote down our mission statement. So if anyone has any questions, they can refer to the mission statement. No, you know what people are like. We're all the same way. We need to hear it regularly. You know, I think back to my own family with mom and dad and my sisters. You know, we were not a quiet family. There was a lot of talking, a lot of communication. And there was sometimes arguing, there was back and forth, and a lot of fun and loving things too. But there was no mystery. It was a regular, daily, weekly, monthly, all the time communicating of, well, probably, you know, the most important things mom and dad wanted to teach us. And we also saw them doing it too. So it's the same thing. It's a family in a cleaning business. You're trying to share the values and the goals of where you're trying to go. You're trying to have people buy into that. The only way they're going to know is if you talk it up. When? Whenever you can. So maybe at every weekly meeting, maybe every time with your supervisors, maybe nightly you're talking to them. It doesn't take long to review the 3 or 4 main things for that year, or that you believe in, or that you're trying to accomplish. And if they hear it and see it, they begin to get it and feel a part of it. So talk it up. Till next time, remember, you can do this.